here it is, APC project planning and controlling procedure for construction works in the oil and gas field. In this procedure, there is many subjects for discussion, such as in the proposal stage. In this stage, we will prepare work execution schedule, manpower schedule, construction equipment schedule, working procedure, procurement schedule, outsourcing of unit prices for materials, goods, consumable, tool, equipment rental, vendors, suppliers, and subcontractor. The other section in the project preparation stage, we should do site survey, prepare supplier, vendor selection, subcontractor, contractor, subcontractor administration, preparing a specification of the cost and project budget. Any other section, interface, we will discuss about interface department. And in the project execution stage, we will discuss general discipline working staff, such as planning and schedule control, cost control, subcontract administration, logistic and procurement, purchasing, material control, and warehouse. In the other section, we will discuss about the document control working step or working system, any document classification, execution method. Any other section, we will discuss workflow PPC department, and any split of responsibility, any organizational structure, any personnel and division job description. We will discuss about the division and its job description, such as planning and project control and procurement manager, planning and project control, schedule control, cost control, subcontract administration, document control, logistic and procurement, purchasing, material control, and warehouse. Any other section, we will discuss project management head office, yes, any planning and project control teamwork, logistic and procurement teamwork. The other section, we will also prepare such a system to evaluate employee. In this section, we will discuss employee evaluation system with many evaluation criteria. So any development program, and the last one is any appendices list. This is attachment that equipped in this procedure. Okay, here it is, the content, the table of content of this procedure, and then we will jump to the procedure itself. Hi everyone, greetings of the days. Nice to see you again. Welcome again to imranamami channel with me, Imran here. Today I would like to discuss about the planning, project control, and procurement procedures. It may have a little different by adding procurement, but this is actually refer to your project requirement as your project nature. Before we discuss it more further, I would like to inform you this is based on my experience during my assignment in several construction projects over Indonesia. Okay, in general, this procedure contains function and allocation of departments tasks in project management, starting from the proposal stage, preparation, project execution until the project completion. Okay, in project stage, shall discuss about the department task allocation, and in task allocation not only explain but also equipped with attachment that could be referred or guideline in explanation of each task allocation of this department. Okay, and I will show you some of them that represent in this case. These attachments could be reporting formats, template, project construction dashboards, and application program. Especially for template and application program, I equip them with formulation therein to make it easier for you to operate. For example, in the proposal stage, this department, in collaboration with the construction department, have the following task allocation: prepare a work schedule, prepare a manpower schedule, prepare a construction equipment schedule, prepare work procedures, prepare a procurement schedule, outsourcing of unit prices for materials or goods, consumables, tools, equipment rental, and vendors or suppliers or subcontractors. The explanation in preparing work schedule. The work schedule in the proposals usually only contain the main items of works, can also be developed up to level 2 or up to level 4 subjobs in accordance with client requirements. Schedule is made according to the work sequence in the form of line chart using the Microsoft Project application, Primavera, Excel application. But in this case, we are using Excel application. The schedule is a combination with creating SCUB schedule, standardize the form as mentioned in Appendix 5. This is same also for the other main task allocation, not only explained but also equipped with some appendix. In the project preparation stage, this department have following allocation tasks: site survey, in case to collect or prepare database for supplier, for local supplier or vendors, procurements of materials, consumables, reliable contractor or contractor, rental company, construction equipment tool, etc. Supplier or vendor selection, subcontractor or contractor, subcontract administration, making a specification of the cost and the project budget. Interface departments. In this section, we'll explain how this department collaborate with other departments in what relates duties and responsibilities. And this section will equip with appendix as mentioned in Appendix 4. Project execution stage. In this stage, we'll explain two main role functions: head office project management and project site management. Head office project management at the preparation stage has carried out project operation, subcontracting with third parties, supplier for the procurement of materials or goods and consumables, purchasing tools, and contractors as preparations to support project execution according to the schedule that has been prepared. Head office project management has to make a cost report for the cost already incurred. The data will be needed to share and check overall expense. In the project site management, project planning and control and procurement coordinator have to make distribution, allocation of work and division of tasks to each of the relevant department in the department. As the aim of providing detailed task guideline for each section in connection with the distribution, allocation and division of tasks, the relevant department section are as follows. Planning and project control, or PPC. The PPC department is divided in the following subsection. First, planning and schedule controls. Second, cost control. And third, subcontract administration. And this is general discipline working staff. And each discipline working staffs not only explained but also equipped with some appendix. Okay. And the second is logistics and procurement. Okay, this is also describe its status and responsibility of section, yes, and also equipped with some appendix. Okay, and then any document control, this is same also, not only explain but also equipped with some appendix. Workflow department of PPC. Head Office Project Management in the initial stage has met a schedule that includes project execution schedule, labor, equipment, and procurement, as well as project budget schedule and project budget are input to site management that provided to the planning and project control, PPC, and procurement department. As for the allocation of work with existing input, the PPC includes schedule control, cost control, and subcontract administration, runs, develops function and control system on work execution and work execution schedule, workforce and tool and project budgets, while the logistic and procurement departments run, develop function and control system in the procurement schedule. The final output of the execution development of function and control system is in the form of report and record as stated below. Planning and project control, progress report, daily, weekly, monthly basis, cost report, bi-weekly and monthly basis, project cash flow report, bi-weekly and monthly basis, monthly report, monthly basis, final account, project close out report, and report and other related records. Logistic and procurement, material inventory report, including incoming, outgoing, and balance, daily, weekly, and monthly basis, processing report, weekly and monthly basis, material turnover, material checklist, monthly basis, report and record, and other related reports. Department workflow as mentioned in Appendix 34. Split of responsibility. General describe the division and coordination of the task of each section in carrying out of the function and control system, starting from pre-qualification, preparation, implementation stage to project completion, and the responsibilities of each discipline regarding to the record and reporting function as mentioned in Appendix 35. Organizational structure. The planning and project planning and procurement department are as follows. Planning and project control, schedule control, cost control, and subcontract administration. Logistic and procurement, purchasing, material control, warehouse, and document control. The organizational structure include relevant department, personnel in charge, lines of coordination between one section and another. In general, the main item highlighted are as follows. The 11 department personnel in charge, key personnel list as stated in Appendix 36. The line of coordination between one part and another, interface with other department. The organizational structure of this department is as in Appendix 37. Job description, division, and personnel. In this section, we'll explain the function of each roles or title and responsible to division or organization. And this section also explain summary of job authority, responsibility, job description, job knowledge, standard format as working reference. And this is starting from project planning and control and procurement manager, and then planning and project control, and then schedule control, and until the last one is until warehouse. Yes, warehouse. Okay. Head Office Project Management. In general, this section will explain the role or function of head office project management, including project planning and control and procurement teamwork in assisting the smooth operation of the projects. Okay? And also, this section not only explain but also equipped with some appendices to enhance the performance of each personnel that's involved in these projects, as routine evaluations. The project management will apply work evaluation system, and there are 5 main criteria in the evaluation of personnel as follows. This is based on work results, knowledge about position, responsibilities, cooperation, and work discipline, and also have development program. To meet the need in the era of global competition, a personnel and software development program is needed to support it. Development programs that can be carried out to support professionalism are as follows: course, project management seminars, and other relevant ones need to be carried out to develop work performance of personnel and teamwork. Okay, and this is all appendix list. So, this procedure having 48 appendices. Yes, that what I have explained before is main work allocation and main task and job allocation not only explained but also equipped with some appendices that use as guidelines and reference in executing each work steps and main task allocation. And I will show you some of them that represent in this case. And here are the appendix list that use as guideline and reference in each main task allocation and work step in the procedures, and I set them by numbering system to make it easier for you when you need them. And I will show some of them that represent in this case. Okay, sorry. This appendix consists of reporting format as seen on the screen here, template, construction dashboard, and application program. Okay, I will show some of them for you as reference. Okay, so this is what I call project cost report and breakdown that I ever posted on LinkedIn. This consists of a SIG worksheet starting from entry section, and this is side expand, some cost report, project cost control report, and then cash flow report. Yeah, okay. Sorry, this is project cash flow report, and then project cost balance and project cost breakdown. Okay, this is program application for project cost reporting. Okay, and this is the project construction dashboard. This is I make it and I equip it with formulation therein to make it easier for you in reporting all project report in one dashboard. Okay, this is this rows data in this project construction dashboard imported from Primavera. Okay, this is consists of progress S curve, a net value S curve, and then also any any project photographs, okay, and this is showing all projects reports in one dashboard, okay. And this is S curve, yes, S curve. This is, I already equipped it with formulation therein, okay, to make it easier for you in preparing a pipeline, in preparing work schedule and S curve, in case pipeline work schedules, okay. This is also equipped with vector plan, that all I equipped already with formulation therein, okay. That is my explanation related to project planning and control procedure and procurement. And thank you very much for watching. Hopefully it shall be useful. Highly appreciate and many thanks to like, comment, subscribe, and please share also this procedure, this video to others, so that they can take advantage of it also. Again, thank you very much. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.